Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove unknown devices from Google account. If you're using any Google account and you're facing the issue that your Google account has been logged in on multiple devices and now you want to remove unknown devices from your Google account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here just select your Google account. So let's say I'm going to select this one here and just click on the profile photo or Google account here. Just click on it, then click on manage your Google account. Now on this screen, you might see the option of devices. So you can directly select from here, or you can go to security and sign in and just scroll down and you might see your devices option. So you'll see all the devices where your account is logged in. So just click on this manage all devices and you might see all the devices here. So it's my current session and here's another device logged into my Google account. So I'm gonna delete this one. Just click on it and you might have different options here. You can try to find device or if your device location is enabled, so you can choose this option to locate your device, but I'm not going to locate this device. I'm going to sign out or log out. Just click on the sign out option and then click on sign out, so it will completely sign out your Google account from in that device. Or if you want to secure your device or secure your account, so I recommend after signing out you have to try to change your Google account password to prevent that user or that device will not log your account again. So you just have to go to security and sign in and just try to change password from here. Just select password and from here you can easily change password. You can also click on Google password here and you can easily change your account password. Just enter your new password, then retype your new password, then click on change password, and your password will be changed. So, in this way, you can easily remove unknown devices from your Google account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.